So guys, papakita ko lang, tuturo ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano ko ginawa ang P0713 ng Honda Accent 2017. Panoorin nyo po ang video ko. Wala po kayong gagastusin dito. Maglilinis lang kayo. Magiging okay na po ang problema. Okay? Complaint po pala nito ay ang problema po pala nito ay nung dumating is hard engagement drive and reverse and hard in second and no forward. Okay? Tuturo ko po sa inyo mamaya kung paano ko ginawa. Ito po ay actual na paggawa ko last few days ago, and I hope na makakatulong ito sa inyo. Libre basa po, walang problema. Ito po ay actual na ginawa ko. After kong ginawa, pinapakita ko sa inyo kung paano naging okay, at kinuha na rin po ng customer the other day. Honda Accent 2017, code is P0713, hard engagement and drive and reverse and hard in second, no forward. Okay, we'll fix this problem. If we can see, maybe harness. Okay, because this one is electrical problem. Okay, see what happened. The Hyundai look like acid going in the harness. Should we clean this one, the harness, and maybe should be fine after this one. Okay, we will clean first the harness, then we will see. We will road test again. Okay, done cleaning. So we will check code and we will road test what happened. Okay, so we will road test now. Okay, we will road test now. We'll take the computer and we'll see and road test. Okay, we'll put the computer. Oh, that's working. Yes. Okay, start. To the computer. This is based on actual situation. Okay, I changed my computer because my computer is not working, not connection. I don't know what happened. Maybe the wire is broken. Okay. Then accent this deal. Okay, no code now. So we will road test something different. Okay, before the temperature is negative 60, the old temperature. Now 60, 65 without negative. Okay, then we will check if hard in drive or reverse. Oh, good, nothing hard. It's nice. So the problem is on the wire on the outside. It's melting. Okay, we'll road test now. It's good or not. For the problem, this one is hard engagement and drive in reverse, then hard and second, no fourth. Okay, you will see of the road test. Okay, you will see now in the first gear. Okay, we road test now. You will see in the highway. Okay, you will see if it's good. After we clean the socket of the harness of the solenoid, I mean the gearbox. Okay, we'll stop first, then we will see what happens. Okay, this is first gear. Yeah, that's right, one. You will see the RPM is going down. 2. 3. Is 3 also there? 3 and 4. It's going down. Yes, very good. I'm very happy now. Okay, it's good. Nice one. Nakachamba po tayo. So if you have a problem, hard engagement, drive in reverse, and hard and second, no fourth. Code is P0713, the temperature sensor of transmission of Accent 2017. So I hope na nakatulong ito sa inyo. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment below. Thank you. Ayan, sasama ko po sa inyo ang final road test. Okay? Sensya na po kayo if my camera is no good. Not good. Okay? It's not actually focused. Yes, okay, fourth gear. Okay, driving. This is my record, the Accent 2017. Complain, engage, hard engage, day and drive, and no fourth gear, hard and second. Code is P0713. Okay, makasabihin nyo nagsisinungaling po ako. This is based on actual situation, actual na ginawa ko po. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and comment below. At least sana po nakatulong ako sa inyong lahat. Thank you, bye bye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Alex Gali Agkawili. Thank you very much po sa inyong lahat sa nag-subscribe na sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.